What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're trying out some dollar store slime. So we got these slimes from the dollar store, and mine is this dinosaur one. It says it has dinosaur parts. We'll see if that's true or not. And Alysia's is a slime unicorn sparkle dino unicorn. And by the way, we just filmed a unicorn makeup video. So after this video, make sure to go and watch that one. Alright, so since these were only $1, we're gonna be opening them, testing them out, and see if they're any good since they were only $1 each. So alright, so I think we're just gonna open one at a time. That way, because she wants to do it first and we both want to play with each of them. So yeah. And also, as you can see right here, see this? Yeah, that means that this bag is reusable. And you don't have to use any like Ziploc bags. And you can just put the slime back in here because it's reusable. Anyways, let's start with you, okay? Here, let me open it for you.
Okay.
Here, let me help.
What color is it?
Pink. Here, let me help you.
Thank you.
Oh. It has sparkles, little unicorns inside. Here, I'll get the rest out.
So slimy.
It makes sense because it's slime. It's supposed to be gooey.
Wait. There's these things inside. There's actually a unicorn inside.
Like little unicorn sparkles.
Don't play with mine.
I have to play with it too.
No. How does it feel?
Feels slimy, gooey,
No.
soft. I need to do it too. You're selfish.
That way you can try his dinosaur one too. No.
If you don't let me, okay, I'm not gonna let you try mine then.
Okay.
You're giving me half.
Here.
Here it's small, but that doesn't matter. It feels satisfying.
Does it feel just like normal slime?
It feels like, you know that like Halloween slime that we have? I don't know if you guys know, but we have like this.
Does it feel really wet?
Yes, it feels really wet.
You want to feel some? There's little parts on me. It's not doing it.
It's not like that stretchy slime
Yeah.
that all of us know of. All the unicorns are falling out.
Yeah. So the unicorns aren't really sticking to it. Yeah.
No, they don't. This kind of material doesn't really stick well with slime. Alright, let's open mine. See how it looks.
I want to feel yours.
Yes, you will.
I made a window. Ready? Just like me. I can see unicorns in it. Very well. I think that is the hardest one.
This one is really hard to open. This was a piece of cake.
What piece of cake? Do you like my slime? Maybe yours have a toy in it.
Maybe.
Maybe not. Mine, it's more Kool-Aid. The look orange. You will never open it.
Here, I've opened it. It's red. It's red. Feels the same. Oh, this wasn't like what I expected. I thought it would have like.
I want to
It feels exactly the same. Hey, get your unicorns off of your hand before you touch it.
What are the dinosaur parts?
Oh, they're the same thing. I thought they were gonna be like a toy thingy. I don't know.
I want to feel yours.
No.
I feel yours.
Don't put it in yours, okay?
Mine is more better than yours. Do you like my pizza? Look. Do you like it? Which one is the coolest?
This is
Mom?
so satisfying.
I'm gonna try.
No, my dinosaur. It's like water.
Yeah. Sticking. Oh, that looks really good. The slime is soothing. Yay!
It's like it's raining.
Boop, boop, boop. It's raining.
All my dinosaurs are falling out. Crazy lava.
Wait, is this yours? It has like little dinosaurs in there.
Yes.
Oh,
They're all bunched together.
I thought this was yours. Oh, is this yours?
Ah.
Is this yours?
My hands are burning. No, that's not mine. That's not mine. Please, don't do that.
Sorry. So it was not what you expected? Hey.
No, those are your unicorns.
So I was expecting this to just be like sparkly slime. I wasn't expecting to have like little unicorn pieces in it. And I was expecting this to actually have like little dinosaur toy pieces in it.
Yeah, that's what I was expecting.
But it just has little glitter things of dinosaurs and unicorns.
And that's not exciting.
But for $1, was it worth it?
Probably.
Would you buy it again for $1?
Yes. If they had like a ninja one, then I would definitely buy it.
That they have a princess one, I will buy it.
Anyways, I do have enough to buy it. I have like, I can't tell you. It's raining dinos everywhere. It's raining dinos everywhere.
Can we switch?
No! I love my lava.
I want to feel your lava too.
It feels the same as yours, okay? Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. And what I think about this is, yeah, it's pretty cool for just $1. If I would be able to rebuy it, then sure, I would. But if there was like a different theme, not dinosaurs, not unicorns, something like a ninja. And if you guys did enjoy this video, remember to like and subscribe. Till next time, Alex Extreme.